Hi there, my name is Baran. I will show you quickly how to create a mobile application with applicationroom.com. Application Room is a website we prepared for mobile application creation. It's very simple. Let me demonstrate it to you. You click on login or sign up. You enter with your credentials. Now you can see your application lists. By the way, Application Room has a test application where you can log in with your credentials, with the same credentials you log into the website, and there's the list, but it's empty, of course. But here in the tester application, you see the you will see the applications you create with your Application Room account. So let me start with it. Create a new application. These are the fields which are going to appear in app stores. Let's say I name my first application as Paprika. Description. Okay, let me put a top bar color. Okay. So it has a dashboard where you can see iOS and Android user counts. You can see the content. We will fill the content here. We can change the design parameters of the application here. We can upload the App Store icons, iPad, iPhone icons, and everything. Splash screens. Let me choose a bar color for my application. Okay, here in the app info section, you change the app information and keywords for your application to be found in app stores. In push section, after we publish your application, you can send push notifications to your users. Then in the buy section, after completing everything, you just click on buy, and if you have completed all the details, you'll be able to buy your application. Anyway, so let me start with the content here. Let me create a new page. Let's say a home page. Okay, we have 4 different types of pages. A general page which can show content, URL or HTML content. A gallery which can show a photo gallery. A location page which shows the location on map, or a form where your users can reach you with a custom design form. You design it, of course. Anyway, let's start with the general page. So in this left column here, it's not actually a column yet, but here you can choose which page you're editing. So when you click on this page, you see an editor on the right hand side. So let me make this online. And let me write the content here, home page. Okay, now here if I go here and publish for testing, and as you can see here, there are 2 test applications. Android is coming soon, which will be like in 2 days or so. So App Store, you can go and download the test application from App Store, which is this, by the way. Here you can see it in the iOS simulator, but you can download it to your physical device and test your Application Room applications here in this test application. So when you go ahead and publish your application here, you will be able to see your application here in the list. So when you click on the application, you will see the home page and the content. So let me go ahead and create another page. So let me put a menu. So this Paprika application is going to be a restaurant application. So let's start with About Us. About Us. Create gallery. Just create another gallery, which I don't want. Delete it. Let's create a menu, which is going to be another general page. Let's create reservation, which is going to be a form. create contacts where where the customers of this restaurant can contact the owner with feedback. Okay, what else can we put here? Where are we? Where we are, let's say, where we are. And this is a location page. Okay, now when you click on these, okay, I've created 6 pages. So let me make these pages online by clicking and selecting this page as online and saving each page. Okay. So all the pages are online. So if I go ahead and publish my application like this, as we'll see, let me restart my test application. By the way, to go out of, to exit one application from tester, you will need to turn your phone upside down. Anyway, here you can see, because I have created all these pages on the same level, they are all created as tabs. So I don't want this, so let me put these pages underneath home. Okay, that's it. Let's save. This is a good feature too. I mean, if you don't want, if you want tabs, you just put everything on the same level, and there you go. You have tabs. It is so easy. So anyway, let me just demonstrate this. Oh, okay. We have. Let me just save this and publish it again. Here we go. So here I have, why do we have 2 tabs? We need to have, let me push this again. Okay. Okay, here you see we have 6 pages. Each of these pages are demonstrated here on this home page with icons and labels. So let me just put a header margin here, 30 pixels, 20 pixels row margin. Row margin is the margin between each row, and let's say 10 pixel between each icon and label. Save this and make this 2 column counts. You can set the count of the columns here. You can make it 3, 2, 1, or 4. Anyway, let's save this and let's publish this again. Let's reopen this. Okay, let me open this. As you can see, and this home page label, which I put here in the content HTML, looks like this. So let's delete that, and also let's put a HTML over there. I want to demonstrate this to you. You can put any HTML to the content HTML of any page. So I'm going to put a PNG file and set its width to 100%. So let me demonstrate this to you, and let me just change the background color of this page. Let's make this 20, 20, 28, 20, 20, 28, because I know the background color of my header picture, they will fit. Okay, let's do this. Let me run this again. Okay, let's run Paprika. Okay, as you can see, now we have a more beautiful looking, a better looking application. So these icons actually are a little bit invisible here. So let me change those icons with the ones I have here in my desktop. Okay, let's put about here. You can work with your designer. You can change the icons, or you can download any icon set. Use those. Let me put gallery icon here. Save. Menu icon. I've prepared these icons before I started this video. Okay, let's change the reservation icon. I will, by the way, explain all the details inside of these pages. For instance, what is a form page, what's a gallery page. Oops. Let's change the contact icon. Where are we? Where is it? Okay. Save this. Let's publish this again. Okay, let's open this. As you can see, we have these new icons. They look much better than the previous icons, but they have all these labels. Even though I have the labels underneath them, so let me just go to this home page and tell the home page, don't show the labels for children pages. Alright, nice. So let's publish this thing again. Rerun my test application, which you can download from App Store. Okay, here we go. You can see, okay, let me just delete these margins. They will look better this way. Okay. Okay, it's much better, but I don't want this top bar to appear here, so let's remove that top bar. Let's publish this thing again. Okay, let's go here. So without the top bar, my application looks like this. Okay, it's much better. So it has 6 icons. This thing is about us. The labels are in Turkish. So anyway, this is. Let me translate these for you. This is about us, gallery, reservation, menu, contact us, and our branches are where we are, kind of deal. So we can change the. For instance, let me put this contact to the end, reservation on top of that. So let me save this. And also, what happens when we click on these things? So when I click on this thing, it opens another page with native controls and everything. So inside the gallery page, there's nothing to see. But let's go to the gallery page and let me upload some files. Okay, so there are some. Oops, I just selected one file. Let me just select these other 2 files and upload those 2. Okay, now my gallery page has 3 files, 3 images in it. Let's see. Okay, my gallery page has 3 images in it. So I go ahead and save this page. Then I come to the location page. I save my pages, my business's location. So let's go to Manhattan and let's go somewhere. Let's just put this here somewhere. Let's save this. Okay, so I actually want to go ahead and change my top bar color too. Okay, I saved this. Let's go back to content. Okay, this is good enough for now. Let's publish this thing. And go ahead and run this thing again. Okay, here on Paprika, when I click on this, and when I click on gallery page, here you go. There are these images I uploaded, and when I click on those images, users can easily swipe their fingers and navigate through the images you just put. They can click on close, and here it is, the thumbnail view again. So you go back. So you can also, you can click on the where we are page, and here you go. It's you see the Manhattan. can also, let's just, where we are, click on that. You can, description, let's say, let's say you can park on the street. It is available. Let's say something like that. And also this thing supports HTML. Let me demonstrate that to you too. Let's publish this thing again. So in the location page, I've just put the description. So let me show that to you. Here you can see the label here. Okay, so these are content pages, so there's nothing inside. Let me show it to you. About us. When you click on About Us, and hi, how are you? Or let me just write. We are restaurants. What's it? Okay, let me publish this. Here you go. And this will look black. So let me just put a div here, or let me just put a URL here, so you can see that we support URLs too. So let me open this again. Okay, so when I click on this and click on this About Us, you just see Google. So this supports actually almost everything. You can build a mobile application for a business, for yourself, for anything, in like in an hour or so. So anyway, in forms. Okay, let's create a reservation form here. Notification email. Okay, let's go to whenever this form gets filled, notify me at this email, baran@retromobile.com. So auto close this page on submit. Okay, let's create a fields. Your name. This is required fields. Let's create another field. Lists, time, let's delete these. Let's say, let's add a couple of times here. This will be a reservation form, so this should be enough, I guess. So let's add another thing. Smoker. Yes. No. Okay, so when we just save this and okay, when we just save this and publish this, our reservation form, our reservation form is going to be up and running here in our mobile application. So let's demonstrate this. Alright, let's go to reservation. Oh, it has a background, dark background. So let me uncheck this inherit background properties from parents. You can upload an image to the background or just click. Let me just make this something gradient so you can see that we support gradient images, gradient colors. Okay, let me just publish this once more. Let's come here and run this thing again. And when you go to reservation, okay, here you go. Because your name, when you click on submit, it says this field is required. My name is Baran, so let's put this here. Time, okay, we're coming in at 8 o'clock. So are you a smoker? Hell no. Okay, so when I publish this, it says sending. When it sends, after 3 seconds, it closes automatically because we just selected here auto close page on submit. And if you could hear that in the background, my phone just buzzed. I received an email because I put my baran@rettermobile.com email here as notification email. So as the owner of this admin panel and of this account, you go to your dashboard and you can see your forms here. And in your reservation form, you see someone has just filled this at this time, an iPhone user. At this time, he's not a smoker, is coming. So you can just reply this, you can put an email, phone number field to the form and everything. You just got the idea. Okay, so I guess this is it. You can ask us anything at info.applicationroom.com. This is, and one last thing, whenever you're ready creating your application, it's completely free up to this point. So if you are ready to publish your application to App Store or Google Play, you just make your application, create your application, fill everything, go to this design section, you upload your icons and everything, and then you go to buy, and we charge you about $750 for everything. We just publish your application to your Google Play and App Store. You don't do anything there. So okay, we'd like to hear from you. Okay, thank you for watching this video.